Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. All my old subbies, thanks for sticking with me. If you're new here, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you know. All right, so I have some stuff from Amazon, Dollar Tree, and this other store that I went to that it's like a liquidator store where on certain days they have Fridays $8 days, Saturdays $6, everything in the store. Then they have Sunday, I think it's like $4 something, whatever. Monday $2. So I went in there on a Friday for $8 days. So I'm gonna start with those items that I got. First item I have is from the store. This was $8. It's a pillow. I'm gonna put it on my bed. The next thing I got from that store is a mattress topper. So I got this here to go on the bed, just to make it more comfortable. And I got this, it was $8 also. It was $8. I got myself some floating shelves. Ooh, talk about floating shelves. I need to paint these. So I got these floating shelves. It's 3 of them in the box. So I got that. That was $8. $8. Let's see. I got myself a pack of masks. I only they gave me this for free, but they were $1. The last thing from that store, I got myself a air purifier. Y'all, I checked on Amazon how much this is. This air purifier is $169 and I got it for $8. The next items are from Five Below. The first thing from Five Below I got is this nano, it's a face steamer, face mister, whatever you want to call it. It looks like this. Next thing I brought myself was this little cone Christmas tree I'm going to put in my shop. The last 2 items I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all, I literally went to 4 Dollar Trees, 4 Five Belows before I found these. So I went to get these. Focus on this. So I got these fans here. So I got 2 of them, just in case, and they are rechargeable. The next items I got is from a Japanese 99-cent store, and I went in there for like some organizers and stuff like that. So the first one I got was this. It's like you could hold brushes with it, you could hold tools, anything. You could put spoolies, you could put whatever your heart desire. I got it in that size, and I got it in this one also. And it's a four compartments. So yeah, if you see it, see. Then I got this. It's acrylic little thing. You could storage container, and it has 4. It has 4, but you can adjust. You can remove these little plastic things. They have these little plastic things here. You can remove them, and you see, I don't know if you can see it, but you can remove it and put it to make the squares are a little bit bigger. I got this here. It's like a little trash can. Little trash can. You just push this little button and you can start opening the boxes, and it just pops open. You could put little trash in here. So there we go. I got this also. It's just a little storage thing with a little top on it. And then I got this hanger, this thing to go like over the door hanger. So I could literally hang my purse on here, and then I have like a couple hangers that's gonna, like, you know, just sit there. First things first, let me show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. So what I started to do was I went and got these little bottles here. What I started to do was I just started to make my own tweezer cleaners for like the glue and stuff. So what I did was I got some sponges and I just pretty much cut them and put them inside the bottle, and I just add like straight acetone to it. So So that's what I got from Dollar Tree. This here, I got another one. Next thing that I got was, I got these little things, these little chalkboards here. Because what I'm going to do is, I ain't even getting no chalk. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use them. They got these little pins on the back. So inside my cabinet that I'm going to be putting like my supplies, I'm going to pretty much like take this and clip on it, so I actually know like what is what inside the cabinet, so I don't have to like move stuff around. So like I'm gonna have like spoolies, I'm gonna have like spoolies, lip wands, like stuff like that written on here. Like even like the lashes, the sizes, it's gonna be written on here. So I got some of those. I got myself some Sharpie, because I'm gonna need Sharpies to write, you know, this right here, boom, for like my glue, to clear my glue after I use it, after each use. Brought myself some batteries because I brought these little lights to go in my cubicle. So I also got these bins here. So I got these bins. I'm going to see how it works, because I'm going to use it to like store things, store supplies in it, along with the other storage stuff that I have. But I have some other storage from when I had the last suite, so I didn't have to buy a lot of storage stuff because I already had some storage stuff. Now from Amazon, I have this bonder here for lashes, and then this is not for lashes, but this ain't even what I ordered. I just ordered some more cups because I have some tumblers I have to make, so that ain't included. Can I get those boxes, please? Alright, the next item I got is this clip-on mirror. You know, the infamous clip-on mirror that they say is good when you're doing lashes and stuff. So that's what I brought. It's right here, the gooseneck. So that, yeah, a lot of people say it's good to get this mirror. So I was like, let me get it, and I believe I paid $12 or $11 for it. So I have that. Then I have this lash primer. And inside, so these are my flowers that I'm gonna, so if y'all remember from my last suite, I put a picture up of what my grass wall looked like on the screen. But with that grass wall that y'all see on the screen, I'm gonna add these flowers in like sections of the grass wall. And I think it's like 25, or how much is in here? Baby, I know it ain't no goddamn 16. I thought it was 25. Next item is, what is this? Glue wake up. Oh, so I brought this glue shaker for my I brought this glue shaker to shake my lash glue. Save me time. And what's that in that bag? Let me put that bag right here. Another bag. Oh, okay, so this is the cover I got to go over my my massage bed. Underneath it, I'm going to put a sheet that goes over this pillow, and then I'm gonna put this on the mattress topper first, then the sheet, and then I'm gonna put that pillow, the leg pillow, and then I'm gonna probably put another sheet. Or I'm gonna put the, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Y'all will see when I'm doing it. But yeah, I brought this also. And then I'm making myself a it ain't got nothing to do with permanent makeup or lashes, but I'm making myself this flower wall. Not a flower wall, this flower mirror for my suite, a standing one. Can you grab me one of them flowers that we made? Grab me 2 of them. Grab me yours and mine. Take your time. So I'm making a flower mirror, and I started making the flowers for the mirror. They're so cute. Look at them. So I'm gonna make this mirror, and I'm gonna show you how I make the mirror. I don't know if I'm gonna record me making these damn flowers because I'll be stressed out, but I'm gonna make the mirror. I'm gonna be making a mirror with it. So I brought some more clay. Because I brought some more clay. It's mad clay in here. Look, bro. We could make even smaller. Like, we could make smaller. Yeah. Like, we could use like 3 colors and half and half and half. So yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. With that, I'm gonna be making myself a mirror with those little flowers. So that's pretty much my haul for now. I have some things coming from Shein, whatever, so I'll do another quick haul once I get those, or I might just throw it in the video, another video. But that's pretty much what I got. So yeah, so that pretty much completes this haul. So if you guys like videos like this, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet following me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so your girl could keep growing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.